So in this video, we are going to see the project settings. Alright. So earlier we created this particular project, but I'm gonna start from the scratch to make it easy. So we have given some options in which we have the pre-built pages. For example, product launch. In this case, you will find all these pages pre-built. Let's say host a webinar. In this case, you will find all these pages pre-built. Sales funnel. You will find all the pages pre-built, and all the other options. Just in case you wanna launch a course, in that case you need to select this particular option. Okay. In this case, I'm gonna select to create a custom funnel, right? So timeline nomination, for example. And at the time of recording this video, we don't have the templates added to Flexi as of now, so we'll be adding it depending upon whenever you're watching this video. You might see all the templates over here, right? So right now I'm going to select the blank option. Okay. And once you have the page, you can you need to click on edit page. So now we have the editor, right? And you need to click on this plus sign to see some of the design blocks that we have already created for you, that you can simply go ahead, click on them, and you can use them for your business. At the same time, if you want to do something from scratch, so we have all the components over here: sections, rows, elements, forms, others. So everything is right over here. All that you need to do is select and start using them. Now one thing that you need to remember is, which is very important, is that you need to select a section first. Alright, and inside the section you need to select the row. Alright, so section, row, and then you need to select a element. So the sequence of things has to remain the same, right? It has to be section, row, and then the element. So just to show you the difference, if you will see, the section is this purple in color, right? Then when it comes to, let's say, the row, this is something which is green in color, and when it comes to element, this is something which is orangish in color, right? So this is the quick difference. So now if I want to add as many elements as I want, so let's say the sub headline, the video, all right, and let's say the button. So I have all the stuff over here, right? And if you will see, this was my purple color section, right? But at the same time, I also have this bigger section which is outside, because if you want to give it some color, you want to add some background, so for that purpose we have also given this option, right? So you need to click on settings, all right, and over here you need to click on background. Okay. And the next thing that you need to do is you need to select, let's say if you want to add a color over there, for example, you want to make it black, maybe reddish, you wanna select any color, so you can do that. Or maybe you can keep it white, and let's say you wanna add a image in the background, for example. So you can select this particular image option over here, so it will add a background image, right? So let's click on images. Now this is a new account, so I don't have any images over here, so let's click on browse. And what I have done is I have already added an image in my desktop for the purpose of this tutorial. So I need to click on upload image, and that's how my image is there, and I need to select the image. I just need to click on it once, and my image will be loaded right over here. Now here's the thing, that this text color is not looking great over this dark background, so I need to select text settings, and I can change the color of the text. I can increase the size, I can make it bold, for example, right? If I wanna make it yellowish, maybe to highlight it more, so I can do that. And then if you will see, I have selected the second one, right, the second sub headline, and once again I want to change the color, so I can do that. And similarly you can all the settings are available right over here, right? So you can plug and play around everything, right? So all the text settings are right over here. So I'm gonna show you all the settings in the upcoming videos, right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you the quick overview of all the elements that we have, right? So let's say I want to click on next section, right? I want to add something over here, and once again a row, right? Okay, so my battery is low. It's okay. Then the next thing may be a headline, right? And I can add a lot of things. For example, a paragraph text. Let's suppose if I want to add some text, so all the it is like one click easy. If I want to add an image, I can do that, right? At the same time, let's suppose I want to add a divider, right? So I can do that. Let's say no thanks, I'm gonna come to that, right? No thanks is not required for you right now, I'm gonna come to that, right? If I want to add some icon, right, so I can do that right over here, right? Let's say let's keep on adding the other elements. For example, I want to add a list group, maybe I want to add some bullet pointers, so that's how you can do it. Maybe a progress bar, right? Something like this. So this is how I can do it, right? And maybe a quote section, right? If you wanna highlight something that way. So that's how simply you can keep on adding this stuff, and it's like one click easy. And let's suppose so this is a row, by the way. Let's click on cross. Let's suppose I wanna add another row over here, which is like 2 column, for example. And let's say I wanna make something like this. For example, I wanna add an image over here, add another image over here, right? And let's say I can give a headline right below this image. For example, I'm adding a testimonial, right? So this is how it's looking like a testimonial section. For example, a paragraph over here and another paragraph over here, right? So this is how you can make your testimonial section, for example, right? And again, you can keep on playing around. For example, the background, let's go to the background color. Maybe I want to give it some color, right? Lightish color. Maybe I want to make it even a bit further lightish, so I can take it above, right? Something like this, a bit lighter. So that's how I can do it, right? And then you can change the text and stuff. For example, let's say this is about a section, for example, right? I want to make it bold. You can make it bold right over here, right? Or you can simply select command B or control B, depending upon the system that you are using. And what else? I mean, you can keep on changing the stuff. For example, you want to increase the size, right? And yeah, you want to make it bold once again, you can do that, right? So yeah, all the settings are right over here. Let's suppose I want to add another section which is like 3 column. So that's how you can do it, right? I want to put a video over here. Let's suppose I want to add an image in the middle one. I want to add another video over here, right? So I can do that. And yeah, so we have 3 column, we have all the different kind of settings over here, right? So if you want to have, let's say, something like you want to put an image over here or text option over here, so any kind of stuff that you want to do, you can simply do it. It's like everything is one click easy. And whenever your page is ready, all that you need to do is click on publish, and your page would be published right away, right? So if you will see, you can see this dialog box over here, please wait, we are publishing your funnels, right? So just in a couple of moments you will see the message that the page is published. As you can see, updates, this will appear, and you can click on actions, click on published URL, right? And you will find the page right over here. Whatever we have created is right over here. And the best part is that if I wanna drag it like this, right, you will see all of this is completely mobile optimized, right? This is fully mobile optimized. So you don't need to worry about the mobile optimization and stuff. This is fully mobile optimized, right? So this is the complete overview settings of projects and how to create the pages, right? I'm gonna talk about it more in detail in the upcoming videos. All right. So yeah, this is it for this particular video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.